Hi, this is Jim's Vintage Collectibles with this great antique wind-up boat. It's made of a celluloid plastic-like material. You can see in here it's marked Shoe Form Company of Auburn, New York, Ferrycraft. That's on the inside of the cockpit there. And you can see it's got some scratches. It does run. Does have, there's a little crack there, and this post here has been, looks like glued, but otherwise it's pretty good shape. Got some scuffs on the bottom here, missing paint. The mechanism is in here. This slides, it's easier actually to just completely remove it. You can see the wind-up mechanism here. This, if you screw this clockwise all the way, it'll lock the mechanism so you can wind it up. It's already wound up, and then when you unscrew that, it'll start running. I'll show you. So it runs pretty well. It is missing, you can tell there used to be a rudder in there, and it's got this little handle. I assume somehow it's supposed to lock, so you can make it go in a circle or something, but the rudder's missing anyway. So, but as you can see, it's a pretty neat little toy. It's still in, let's pop that back on. It's still in working condition, and it is for sale on eBay. You can find the link in the video description, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up to date with all of our latest items. Thanks.